Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by securing your data and environment. First, make a full backup to an external drive so you can restore if needed. Once done, sign into an administrator account and disable third-party antivirus. This prevents interference. Now, open an elevated command prompt or PowerShell, right-click and choose Run as Administrator, because the tools we use require system privileges to fix corrupted files. You run the core repair utilities to heal Windows components. First, execute dism with Restore Health to fetch and repair the component store. This fixes the source SFC uses. After dism completes, run SFC with SFC/Scano to scan and replace corrupted protected files. If SFC reports issues it cannot fix, repeat dism then SFC. This two-step approach resolves most corruption because dism repairs the image, while SFC restores files from that healthy image. You finish by applying updates and rebooting so repairs take effect. Make sure Windows Update installs any pending fixes. If corruption persists, try a system restore to a known good point or perform a repair install using the Windows 11 installation media. This preserves apps while replacing system files. If things still fail, gather CBS and DISM logs for diagnosis and be prepared to perform a clean install. One troubleshooting tip. If DISM cannot connect for repair, check network, proxy, and temporary.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.